class. This is Allison Chung from the EVPP 490 Friday one-day class. And for this project, I have decided to do the windmill power project instead of the solar oven one. There were two reasons why I've selected to do this. One is that I was able to find the materials for the windmill power instead of the solar oven, and in the solar oven you have to find boxes and other knives to do that. And another reason is that I have done something similar like this back when I was in elementary school. So many of you wonder what type of forms of energy and the types of energy transformation can be seen with this windmill power. Well, first we have to figure out whether it's potential or kinetic energy. Well, since it's a windmill power, kinetic energy is used. So basically kinetic is the motion of wave electrons, atoms, molecules, and substance. And then once the kinetic energy for this one is basically the fan, which I'm going to show you later on. And then once that fan creates it, it creates a motion energy, which is the energy of movement of a substance from one place to another. For instance, the motion energy of this is the windmill that I made, which I'm going to show you later in the video. Here are the materials that I have done for my windmill project. I needed a large water bottle, a paper cup, copy of the pinwheel, but you can get that from the internet, straw, pins, tape, coins, a fan. The reason for a fan is to see your windmill move, and scissors to make a hole in your paper cup that you will see in the procedure section. Now for the procedure. First, I cut out a large water bottle like this. Then I put some coins and put them in the bottle. And you might need a lot of them, so you don't have to fully fill it up with coins, but make sure it's at least, since this is a large water bottle, maybe at least 1/10 of it, so then it will become like this. Next, you will need a paper cup, and you put it on top of the large water bottle. And then since to make sure it's stable, get a large piece of tape and tape it around it so that it won't fall. Now, I also with this cup, I made some holes with it, so you making sure that the straw will fit in. Then I got the copy of the pinwheel that I got from the internet, and then attached it with a straw that I got from my house. And then these pins that I got them from class, and I hold it to make sure that it was steady. Then I'll put it in here between the holes that I made with the paper cup, and voila. So I'm showing you the speed of the windmill. So this is speed number 1. It's really slow, but then if I move into speed number 2, it's got really fast. But then if I get into speed number 3, the highest of all, it goes really, really, really fast. There it is. Now with the energy output. As you saw from the video, you saw there was a fan on your right and my project on the left. The fan, before it started, it was showing kinetic energy. Basically the fan was just moving by itself. But as later on, as I put my project in front of the fan, the windmill started to move and it created a motion energy. It's basically, as I mentioned it from the previously, it's the energy of movement in a substance from one place to another. Now, were there any design changes that I've done? Well, from the class that I was doing Friday, it was just basically a paper cup, and basically I put a straw here and the fan basically. So that what did I did anything with it? Well, basically for me, so since doing that project, I basically had to hold the cup like this so that it won't slither away from the fan. But since I had the big humongous water bottle with coins, this helps so that the fan won't move. It will just basically stay on its own. As you saw from the video, the fan was rating from 1 to 3. Number 1 was slow, and number 3 was really fast. So as the fan speed became 1, the windmill speed got really, really slow. But then as it got faster with fan speed number 2, it got really, really fast. But not faster as fan number 3, in which case it spin in a circle really, really fast. In conclusion, it's just basically as this fan speed becomes faster and faster, the windmill speed becomes faster and faster. Finally, the improvements. So this is very different when I expected when I was doing this project, because I remembered on Friday, the class we had for one day, we had those paper clips and we attached it to the straw, and then basically it turned around, and the straw, as the fan turned around, the paper clip was able to come as well. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it, and I tried it so many times and I wasn't able to do it. So maybe that could be one thing I could improve on and try to get it maybe done by the next video I turn in, which is December. But hopefully, I'll get it fixed. So if you have any thoughts and improvement, just let me know and send me a comment. Thank you, class.
It's not working.